Selling to in-house teams is more challenging actually than selling to law firms. And primarily because law firms are still revenue generating. In-house teams are non-revenue generating within teams, and they're generally a smaller group. One of our early customers claimed that after using our product for a year, she's saved about $850,000 in what she would have spent at a law firm for a 3-person legal team in-house. So we effectively built more of a digital paralegal that would sit as an interface between business teams and the corporate legal teams. And unfortunately, because people had not even tried ChatGPT for the majority of people, they looked at that and they were like, this is super foreign to me. I can't trust it. The present has caught up to what we built as the future a couple of years ago. You can be right in the direction of the market of like where the technology is going. But if you're too soon, the users are not ready for you potentially. In Q2, like from a lot of people who ended up cutting various point solutions and wanting more of a platform tool. When we started, we were always a platform first, but people were in this like, hey, I just want to like talk to something like ChatGPT. I'm still there, but interesting, the market sort of shifted in our favor now. Our strongest go-to-market motion is actually word of mouth. It's actually not us advertising. Someone who's a skeptical of AI, she started us off as super skeptical, and now she's one of our biggest advocates. And that's like, that's a transformational story, and that's better than any sort of Google ads that you can buy. Win someone over, they're almost there to kind of like do that word of mouth for you.